Some of the world's most advanced drone technology has arrived in Australia.
From assisting in natural disaster zones to delivering groceries, experts say the small but advanced devices are the way of the future.
New technology revealed right here in Perth. These drones are being sold as our eyes in the sky. They can be monitored from anywhere in the world.
The drone in a box removes the human from harsh environments, so you can actually have the pilot now in an air-conditioned environment, controlling a drone, looking after missions and looking after different sites remotely and safely.
The drone in a box concept gives the device a home base to be deployed from. They can assist with emergency situations like floods or bushfires, patrol beaches, and even deploy rescue gear to those in need.
So you can see the camera of the drone itself. You can see all the parameters of the drone.
This is the first of its kind in Australia that monitors in real time. The makers are now looking for buyers.
And having big hitters, I guess, like the BHPs and WA Police interested is going to determine where the industry goes moving forward.
This drone takes around 40 seconds to launch. It can travel for around 45 minutes or 11 kilometres before it needs to be back on base charging. So it's not like the drone can go from Perth to the Pilbara. And from disaster zones to deliveries, Coles is now using drone technology, but orders will be limited to 1 kilogram. And for now, it's only available in Queensland, but the supermarket giant hopes to expand around the country. Kate Massey, 7 News.